Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to install wireless display on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install wireless display on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to click on the start menu, then search here optional updates. Or you can find optional features. You can see here optional feature, click on this. After that you will find here view features. In this you have to find wireless. Just type wireless. You can see here wireless display. You have to make sure tick mark this option, then click on next. Then click on install. After clicking install, your wireless display will be installed. That's it guys. So in this way you can install your wireless display on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.